what's going on here? This is New Jersey, people. New Jersey is getting cooler and cooler and cooler. I just saw a GT500 and look at what I'm looking at now. This is a miracle. Another miracle of New Jersey to see this car in New Jersey. I thought nothing was in New Jersey. I thought nothing was in New Jersey here. And I bet you there's an 05 in that VIN number, isn't there? Is there an 05 in that VIN number? You don't know? I'll check for you. Maybe you don't want to know. Look at this car. Look at this car. Have you ever seen MustangMedic videos? Oh man. I drank coffee, so forgive me if I shake once again. Eventually I'll get that three-dimensional device. What is your name?
Bob.
This is Bob, and he has a 72 Mach 1 in South Jersey.
Yes.
How long have you been in South Jersey?
All my life.
And he's never seen MustangMedic. How old are you? How old are you?
63.
Okay, 63, so we gotta give him some credit. Most of my audience is like, 35 to 45. But this is a cool man. Well, not only, but he's red on red, guys. Get ready to look at the interior. Check this out. He's still wondering what's going on. It's kind of funny. Uh-oh, I'm gonna get hit by a car. I leave all that stuff in too, believe it or not. And there it is. Can I reach over you? Look. He's got the black highlights.
It was a green.
Huh?
It was restored 20 years ago.
Was it restored 20 years ago?
And it was that army green.
Nice.
But the guy,
I had an army green one too.
guy wanted this.
It's beautiful.
They took it down to the sidewalk.
You know what? These cars, for some reason, they don't get a lot of love. But if you got this car and you can have the color you want, do it, right?
I only like these Mustangs.
Me too.
I don't like the others.
I'm gonna give you a card and you have to check it out. I think you're gonna like it. Do you ever go on YouTube?
No.
Okay, you're gonna do it now. I promise. You'll at least try it once for me?
Yeah, I'll try.
All right, he's gonna watch, he's gonna look at himself on video and he's about to leave. Go ahead, I'll watch him. He's got the business card. He has promised to look at the videos. Thank you. And he's about to drive away. Bobby, you gonna do a burnout when you leave?
Oh, no.
Oh no? You're mellow?
No,
I had to ask.
I like to take it easy.
I appreciate that. You got 351 C6.
C6.
Rebuilt?
It's original engine.
Original engine.
Original engine.
How many miles on it?
All depends on what state you're in.
You're funny, Bob. All right, there it goes. Nice to meet you, Bob. And he's pulling out. He's going out straight. There he goes.
Yeah, I'm going out straight.
All right, Bob. Thank you. Look at that. I can't believe it. I cannot believe this is in New Jersey, guys. I need that device. It's 350 bucks. I don't usually ask for money, but right now I'm helping out my kids and everything, so I can't really prioritize it yet. If you guys want to help out, that would be cool. I'd like to stop the shaking. I'll show it on a video later what I saw. Anyway, enough about me. There she goes. She's gone. She just drove away. A 72. So funny. I forget 71 and 72 both have verticals. Of course they did. Of course I knew that. Anyway, pretty exciting out here at the Tractor Supply in Woodstown, picking up my shirt for the meeting tonight, and I see a 72 Mach 1. It must be divine intervention. How cool is that? In New Jersey, imagine, in South Jersey.